Jacksonville at their backup quarterback. Timeout. Let's try that again, folks. 1st and 10 at Jacksonville's 20. Oh, there were. Look at that! Get back! Get him back, Rip! Folks, here's your kneel down for win number 8 of the Blizzard season. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing your 8th win Green Bay Blizzard. Heck of a night. We dominated Jacksonville up pretty dang good, I'd say, none the least. Good win. Folks, next time I'll see you at the Rush will be in July. So we'll see you in July, folks, for the Christmas in July theme game. Peace out, everybody, from the Rush.